Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear two-wheeler riders, commuters, and travel enthusiasts, tuning in. The biggest danger in the rain isn't the weather, it's treating a wet road like a dry one. Today we are looking at the Rain Driving Guide for Bike Riders from Youthbuddy. Rain changes how your bike responds. Tires lose grip, braking takes longer, visibility drops, and standing water can hide dangerous road hazards. Preparation begins before the engine starts. Check your tires, brakes, lights, and the weather before deciding to ride. If heavy rain, flooding, strong winds, or thunderstorms are expected, postponing the ride is the safest decision. Wear a certified full-face helmet, properly fitted rain gear, gloves with reliable grip, sturdy footwear, and reflective clothing that helps other road users notice you earlier. Keep your phone, important documents, and valuables protected in waterproof storage so unexpected rain doesn't create additional problems during the ride. Set your navigation before starting the ride and always stop completely before checking calls, messages, or maps. A moment of distraction can quickly become a serious risk. Ride with smooth throttle, steering, and braking inputs. Sudden acceleration, sharp turns, or panic braking can quickly reduce tire grip and cause skidding. Look farther ahead, instead of focusing only on the road directly in front of your bike. Early observation gives you more time to react, without sudden steering or braking. Reduce your speed before bends, junctions, damaged roads, and waterlogged areas. Lower speeds help you stay balanced and maintain better control on wet roads. Maintain a greater following distance from other vehicles, because wet roads increase stopping distance, and traffic ahead may brake unexpectedly. Stay alert for painted road markings, metal covers, wet leaves, mud, gravel, and oil patches. Cross these surfaces with the bike upright using steady control. Never ride through standing water, when the depth or road condition cannot be judged. Hidden potholes, open drains, or strong currents can create serious danger. If you have crossed shallow water safely, test your brakes gently in a safe area before returning to normal speed because water can temporarily reduce braking performance. Keep your headlight on throughout the ride and use low beam during heavy rain or mist. If rain, mud, or wiser fog reduces your vision, stop safely before cleaning or adjusting anything. Avoid unnecessary lane changes, stay out of large vehicle blind spots, and never compete with faster traffic. Ride according to road conditions, not someone else's speed. If you are carrying a pillion passenger, reduce speed further and allow additional braking distance. Smooth riding becomes even more important on slippery roads. Stay alert wherever you ride because pedestrians, parked vehicles, animals, and changing traffic can appear without warning. If your bike begins to skid, stay calm, ease off the throttle, avoid sudden braking, and allow the tires to regain grip before correcting your direction. If your engine stalls after entering water, avoid repeatedly trying to restart it. Move the bike to a safe location and seek mechanical assistance if needed. After riding through heavy rain, inspect your brakes, tires, chain, and electrical components. Cleaning and drying the bike helps prevent future problems. Rain doesn't reward confidence, it rewards good judgment. Respect changing conditions, ride within your limits, and make sure every journey ends where it should, back home safely. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.